Managing multiple websites as a design agency or a group of professionals can be very challenging. Now imagine this. That means that your team members have to log into a particular website, make some changes, someone else comes in, logs into the website, it's very, very difficult to manage and to track. Thankfully, we have InstaWP Connect. Now, let me show you how to install it and how we can use it to better improve your workflow and how you design your websites. All right, so here I'm on my WordPress website. Now, this plugin is absolutely free. So all you want to do is to come over here to plugins, click on add new plugin, and then click on add new plugin. So here we want to search for InstaWP Connect. Next, you want to click on install now. So now that we have InstaWP installed, let's create our staging site. So I'm going to click here on create staging. InstaWP Connect is going to create a staging website which is going to be accessible to all our team members. Next, we want to click on connect with InstaWP. We're going to approve. Excellent. So now we are connected with InstaWP. Now, before we create our staging site, I want to show you a really cool feature. InstaWP also provides a very powerful feature where you can bulk edit websites. All you need to do is to come over here to your connected sites. Now remember, to connect, you need to use that InstaWP Connect plugin. So all those sites that are connected are all listed here. So now you can see the status here. It says it's connected. So to do bulk editing, all you have to do is to come over here and you want to click and select all the websites that you want to bulk edit. So with my site selected, all I have to do is to come over here to bulk edit. And then over here, if there's any themes that need to be updated, I can always update them all here. And then over here, if we have any plugins to update, we can always go in and update them. And these updates can be applied to the websites that you have selected for bulk editing. All right, so back over here. So now let's create a staging site. So here we have several options. We have quick staging, full staging, custom staging. So I want to go with full staging. I'm going to click on next. Now we can select our options. So I can say active plugins, active themes only. And I'm also going to skip large files. And this is for just this website. Okay, so over here we can leave it blank so that it can auto-generate the name. And then we're going to click on next. So over here is where we can go ahead and select all our files. So I want to make sure that my WP admin content includes HTTP access. They're all selected. Or what I could just do is to select all. So now I've selected all my files. So I'm going to make sure now that any of my developers or any of my team members, when they make changes, we can all work together. So now I'm going to click on next step. Finally, I'm going to go ahead now and click on create staging. All right, so now that we've installed this, notice that we have this new URL here. So I'm going to come back to InstaWP here and refresh this page. So do you notice now that we now have a brand new website here? Now this is now my staging site. So with InstaWP, if you come over here to your team, you can add your team members. So here you can see I only have myself in the team, but you can add team members. So if you wanted to add a team member, you'd come over here to this gear icon, and then all the way down here, you can add your members. So here I have 5 out of 5 team members remaining. So if I wanted to add one, I can just click on add one, and these guys will have access to all the sites and all the staging sites that we have. Now let's go back to InstaWP Connect and talk about all the features. But you know what I'm really interested in is the sync option. So if I click here on sync, I'm going to now say start listening for changes, and you're going to see something really, really amazing. So with sync activated, I can come over here to pages, add a new page. So let's say I'm going to name my page new page, and then I'm going to publish this page. All right, so check this out. When I come over here to sync, it now tells me what has been happening. So far I have created my page here. So if I want to now click on this and push it over to my staging site, I can pretty much go ahead and click on sync selected. And this now is going to be pushed over to my staging site. So my team now can view all the new pages that I've created, all the new plugins that I've added, and pretty much everything that I'm doing on my website. So with InstaWP Connect, it can listen to all the changes that are happening on my website and then asks me if I want to push it over to make it live on my staging website. So this workflow makes it really awesome for design agencies and professionals to work together on these WordPress projects. Now check this out. Let's say you have 10 of these websites and you have different people working on it. This is the best way to work on WordPress projects. So let's say you've worked on your website, everyone is happy, it's time now to host it. Now this is the time where now you have to start looking for hosting companies. But InstaWP has a service called InstaWP Live. This is a hosting service. And let me show you how easy it is to host a website from staging. So over here, I have all my list of websites. And let's say I want to host this website. All I need to do is to click on Go Live. And here we can see we have InstaWP Live. Now I can click on Next Step. So this is now the stage where you can start looking at the plans and choose which one really suits you. So pretty much it is very, very easy to get up and running super fast. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. Until next time, see you in the next one. Take care.